Welcome to yet another video on YouTube with Saave. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create YouTube shorts with all kinds of different effects and the main thing using free tools. So we are not going to create these shorts via directly on mobile, but we'll create this using a platform called as Clipchamp, right? So before we begin into shorts, it's very important we understand what kind of shorts we want to create, and we can understand that by looking at the competitors in your respective niche. That is, it is dance, finance, educational. You can look for top three competitors and see what is the style, hook, value, what they are providing via their shorts. This will help you think of a pattern in which you want to create your shorts, right? So my request is to go through some sample shots which you would like to recreate in your own style, and then proceed ahead with what you are going to do in the video. So net you might have seen four different kind of shorts on YouTube. One is wherein you see multiple video clips and some background music in it. That is the first kind of one. Second is wherein you have some video plus there is some commentary on in it, and there is some background music as well. The third is a video which you have shot, maybe there is some AI audio generated and used in it, and there is some music as well. And fourth is speaker clip, podcast clip, and we'll just go through how we can create this, add some editing styles to it, how we can use the free platform which I mentioned, and then proceed ahead with it, all using free tools, right? So now let's go ahead with this one. These are basically all four are from my other channel called as I am sorry, and let's go. I will play this one first.
ਪੱਲਿਕਾਂ ਉਠਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਹਨੇਰੇ ਘਟਦੇ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਧਨਕ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਦੋਨਾਣਾ ਉਤੇ ਨੀਲਮ ਜੜੇ ਚਮ 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 ਕੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ Everybody, why you pushing on me? Don't you in the party? I can do this all week.
This is a song which you saw that there were some clips. There was some effects I had added while moving from one clip to other clip, and there was a background music to it. So we proceeded with creating a similar video for our understanding. So first, as I mentioned, I will go to Clipchamp, which is a editing tool by Microsoft, and we'll be using the free version. I also use the paid version, which has more features in it. However, for today's video, we will create one using so there are a lot of options on this platform which you can explore later. But for understanding, we'll just create a new video today. We'll take an example of creating a video of Eiffel Tower clips, right? And some music to it. Now, the first part might be how do I get some clips which are of Eiffel Tower and where there won't be any copyright strike. So, on this platform itself, you can see over there is a content library. You can get videos, photos, stickers, music related to it for every search item, right? The paid version offers a lot more results which can be accessed. You can see over here the diamond one is for the paid versions. I will just filter out the free only part. So you can see there are some clips of Eiffel Tower even in the free version, like this one, right? Which I can use for my shorts purpose or YouTube videos purpose. So you can directly download from over here. You can just add this and this gets added as a clip, right? So that's source number one. The second source is for free B rolls. There are two sites which I will anyways add in the video description. First is pexels.com. Over here, you can see you get the free stock photos, royalty free images, and videos. You can just go over here and just search Eiffel Tower, right? You can see there are a lot of videos which you can download and use. You can also put filters. What is the aspect ratio in which you want? So since we are creating short, we'll go for vertical videos. There are 3 4 videos which I have already downloaded, but you can download either one you want. And this is the first site, and the second site is Pixabay, right? It's again similar, so I can go over here and search for Eiffel Tower, and I will get again videos which I can download and use for my videos. So that's some of the sources from where you can get these videos, and we'll try to create one right now using. So I have downloaded some videos and I will just pull them in into Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, so I just pulled my data; it will appear over your media, and I'm going to use Ed Sheeran's latest song Sapphire to just uh, create our short and put. So you can add this music directly on the app itself while uploading, but however I want to add some effects, and for that it is better we edit and create the short in the system. So now I'm changing the size from over here to vertical because we are trying to create a short, right? So I'll just add, so the pattern and in which order, that is totally your creative call, but to show as an example I will just add random clips which I already downloaded. Okay, now we have added the music. We'll just add the clips, and my idea is to create one wherein I'm showing different clips of Eiffel Tower, and I'm going to adjust it according to the beats of the song. That is something which I'm looking to do. You can do it in your own different style when you want to, but I will just try to adjust the and switch between videos. Right, so this now we are adjusted according to the music. I want to add some transitions wherein when it switches, so now if we see,
Like
so
fireworks
it's just
in
switching.
the sky.
So now as per the audio I just want to add some effect wherein as they're switching between two videos. Okay, so I will add some over here, some transition. Just clicked over here and it came out, so I will maybe add, yeah, going to add over here.
ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਦਨਕ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਨਾਣਾ ਉਤੇ ਨੀਲਮ ਜੜੇ ਚਮ 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 ਕੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਵਾਰੀ 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 pushing on me don't you in the party.
So I added transition between each clips. Now since I want the audio to fade in, that is to start in and fade out at the end by a bit so that it doesn't feel abrupt. I can adjust the audio levels, and I want this video also to fade in and fade out, right? So now let's see how it plays.
The lights, your face, your eyes exploding like fireworks in the sky. ਉਠਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਹਨੇਰੇ ਘਟਦੇ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਤੂੰ ਦਨਕ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਦੋ ਨਾਣਾ ਉਤੇ ਨੀਲਮ ਜੜੇ ਚਮ 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 ਕੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਵਰਗੀ ਵਾਰੀ
So that's it. Basically, we are done with the video over here, and this is our video. If you want to add any text, you can just go over here, and there are many text patterns and text styles which you can add anyone. So let's say if I want to add any text, right? So I'll just go over here, maybe select one which I find pretty or as per my taste, and we are just mention it over here, Eiffel Tower, right? You can change the color from over here. You can change the font style, the font size. Everything can be done from over here, right? So you can change all, you can change anything over here. So that's it. You can change the location as well. You can add more text also if you want. You can add, you can make this, you can change the line height, line spacing. You can make it semi bold, bold, right, italic. So that's up to you how you want to add any text, and our short is ready. And so you just have to click on export. Now these are for the paid versions, but you can export in 720p, and it's done. You can export it to any way. You can directly get it uploaded to YouTube, and or save to Google Drive, and then you can proceed with uploading via your mobile or via laptop, desktop as well, right? So that's the most basic one which we did, that is online clips plus song. Now, online video, if you want to create a video wherein there is an online video like we just saw, but there is also commentary from yourself, like audio clip by you, how you want to add some commentary behind it. We'll try to create one. So we'll just see the first example, which I have shown over here. So this is the clip.
This passageway is the entrance to one of the current wonders of the world. Petra in Jordan is believed to be one of the oldest cities in the world. Archaeologists believe that the city was established in 321 BC when it became the capital of the Nabatean Empire. They have been able to discover only 15% of Petra so far. The rest remains largely underground and unexcavated.
So you can see there is some commentary, there are some captions which are appearing in that video, and we'll try to do that. So if you want to add your audio in this, in any clip, like consider you want to add some commentary about the Eiffel Tower or your experience about the Eiffel Tower, you can just go over here and click on record and create. You can see there are many options. Screen and camera, that is, you can record anything which shows the screen as well and you on camera as well. You can only shoot anything which is via the camera. You can shoot anything as with the screen, which I'm doing currently right now for doing sharing this tutorial, or you can only record your audio. So if you want to add any only audio, you can do it via audio itself and start speaking, and it will get recorded over here. You can add any mic or any earphone, connect with your laptop and get it recorded. So once I have done this, I'll click on save and edit. You can see it, the clip has got recorded, and I will just add it. So you can add it above wherever you want to place and in wherever you want to appear. So I'll just, for our understanding purpose, place it over here, and you can see now. Listen to the audio. And start speaking. But the audio is not audible. You can add any mic or any earphone, connect with your laptop. So I reduce the volume of the song, and I will increase the volume of my clip. Now let's listen. And start speaking, and it will get recorded over here. You can add any mic. So this is my recorded voice, right? And it has got added. And the next step, if you want to show it as captions as well, what you're speaking, you can just click on captions over here. Try now. Select the language and transcribe media. The caption will get generated. You will have to review the captions. It depends on how you pronounce as well, right? So you can see they have come over here. It will come automatically. You can change the style, the font color, the font size, as per your wish. And if you want to edit, you can just click over here and it will get updated, right? So this is the way you can select and add captions and self audio to your videos, right? If you want to hide, you can hide, but that's the way you can create one with online videos, some commentary from your end, and the music. You can remove the music in case you don't want to add any music, but in case if you want to add some, you can do both, right? The third category is camera video, that is clips from your end plus AI audio plus music. So the only difference in this is instead of using our recorded voice, we are going to create speech using AI. Again, there is an option over here. Go to record and create. Click text to speech, right? Now, whatever you type, I visited the Eiffel Tower in March 25. So now I want to add this. So there you can select your language, right? So I have selected English, and you can select. So there are many personas created. You can listen to each one of them and decide which voice you would like to use. I'm just listening. You can hear it. You can select the vocal pitch, the pace at which they want to speak, and you can click on save. Now the text will get. So you can see over here.
I
You can see
visited the Eiffel Tower in March 2025.
so the audio as well as the captions have got updated. This is the way you can add AI text to speech audio in your clips, and this might be useful in many scenarios. So that's the way you can use Clipchamp to create videos with AI text to speech as well. And the last one is uh, podcast speaker clip, wherein you will speak something and you would like to uh, add certain
Yeah, I would
effect.
recommend them going into peripheral season. Yeah. Like Alaska is much more than Northern
Similar
Lights.
video from my other
Yeah.
channel, right?
Alaska is not
And
only Northern Lights. Alaska
so
is nature.
I
Alaska
also
has
have some
Denali
podcast
National Park.
related with my
Alaska
other
has
channel. So
glacier
you can
cruise.
see
Alaska
I
has
uploaded
sea
clips wherein
kayak,
I merged
glacier landing
podcast clips
via
as well
plane.
as some
So
clips.
definitely the cherry on top of the cake is Northern Lights. So make it the star of the itinerary, but also have other plans. So in case you miss out on the Northern Lights, you have other memorable experiences and you can still take out some nice memories out of a trip and don't turn out to be dejected. And that can be still a very great trip, in my opinion. I would strongly advise.
So the only difference what you have to understand over here, what is happening is that there is some background music which I've put, and at end of every sentence, I'm just adding some music. I'm switching the music in the background to make the person keep more interested. I'm switching, I'm changing screens, I'm changing the background music. I have added mouse clip voice so that it grabs your attention. That's the only difference. Rest, you can just pull your video and add more clips to it. The clips can be yours. You can download it from anywhere you want, right? And then you can just export and upload on YouTube, right? So that's the way you can go about creating shorts and adding a lot more effects in music, transitions, font styles, texts, captions, and then upload it on YouTube to gain more and more views and get better at the craft with time. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to the channel, do like the video, do share with your fellow YouTubers so that we can keep on posting such videos wherein you can start your YouTube journey with free tools and AI tools as well. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video.